morning, YouTube. What's going on? It's Herb with H&F Landscape. Man, I hadn't recorded anything in a while. It's just been so busy. Man, we've been giving estimates, bids, and it's late in the season, man. It's like picking up like crazy, especially this pressure washing. This morning I'm on my way to pick up my partner. We got to trim some bushes again and do another house pressure wash. And man, I'm also doing an estimate for this big car dealership, man. I'm hoping I get that thing. I went to present the estimate yesterday, and the owner wasn't there. So I'll try him back one day this week. I'm just so busy right now. I just picked up some extra yards. Start on one of them tomorrow. And just trying to get it all taken care of. Just hadn't had time to record. Editing, you know, man, that takes time to edit and take, you know, shots and clips, and while you got somebody, you know, working, and that takes a lot of time off, especially if you rush to get some stuff done. And you know, this is the only thing I'm gonna do today before I go back to my other job. I have another job that I work at like 3 in the morning to like 7. And then I go back at 4 to like 7. So in between that time, you know, we take care of our landscape company stuff, and bids and maintenance and everything else that you have to take care of in between them times. It's cloudy out today. I was on my way home from my job a few minutes ago, and it started raining and drizzling. Might get, you know, they call it for some of that throughout the day, but it's, I guess it's supposed to open up the floodgates later on this afternoon. So man, that's pretty much what it is, man. I mean, we're gonna try to go over here and knock this out before the little showers come or whatnot. Other stuff I need to be doing. I need to be getting my blades off and sharpen those. Yeah, I've been looking at some chainsaw sharpeners. I bought one from Harbor Freight. I'm gonna do a review on it when I first use it. But it's another one I seen, and it's made up like that one, the organ, the one that come with the bar and the chain and then the sharpener. But this sharpener is supposed to, you know, you had to switch out your bar on your chainsaw before, but this sharpener is supposed to be a universal. It's supposed to fit any chainsaw bar. So I'm kind of, and you put it on the end of the chainsaw, and it's got a little, like a piece on the end of it, and you put it against something, and that presses the stone up against the chain on the inside, and you're supposed to match the trigger and run the chain, and it's supposed to sharpen. So if y'all know anything about that, man, if y'all use that, what I'm describing, please comment, let me know. Let me know if you recorded, if you did a review on it, let me know so I could go and watch the review. Please subscribe. Man, I'm trying to get my views up, man. I'm trying to make this thing an ordinary thing. I need all the support I get. I always go to other people's channels and subscribe and watch the content they put on YouTube. So with said, I guess I'll get back, show you a little bit of the pressure washing procedure. But before and after pictures, I will take before and after pictures. I have my Osmo Moble 3 with me. So I will take some shots, stuff like that. Put some before and after pictures up in my video. I ain't never did that. I'm gonna do that later on this evening, tonight. Like, put those pictures into the video on YouTube. With that being said, man, we'll get back at you. Alright, so YouTube, as you can see, this part over the house over here is really a mess. Like me and my boy to walk with me. Walk with me. As you can see, it's down here. And it's like, it's tracking me. It's down here, so you gotta get that. You still tracking me? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Right. Then we got this up here we got to do. But it's coming along, though. It's coming along. Got my boy Hakeem back there on the camera for the first time.
Yeah.
He wigging out.
That was up.
He don't know how that thing follows me. But we just soak this down again.
Keep going.
And we might have to soak it again. But we'll get back to y'all.